Today we are preparing Raita, a lovely, cooling, refreshing side dish from Southern Asia, countries like Bangladesh, Pakistan, Sri Lanka and India, which I'm basing my version on. Key ingredients for my Raita is cucumber, natural yogurt, some citrus like lemon juice, some spices, cumin, coriander, some garlic. Let's get started. First thing we do is prepare the cucumbers, washed, dried, cut off the end, and we grate it onto some toweling. This is so that we can capture all the excess liquid, which we don't want. I like to keep the end on just so that I've got something to hold on to when I get near the end. And then we need to squeeze out the excess moisture, because that will just give you a soggy Raita. That cucumber juice actually will be delicious. Some form of cocktail. Okay, there's our beautiful cucumber, and you will see that leaving the peel on adds flavour and texture and colour. Next thing I do is add that yogurt. So I've got natural, unsweetened. This one is a Greek style, so it's thicker. And it's 500 grams going in. Next, some garlic. Give it a tap. Release the skin. Cut off the ends. And what I'm going to do is, rather than mince it, I'm just going to chop it up slightly. Add the 2 teaspoons of salt, which I have in the recipe. And using this blade of your knife, I'm just crushing it. It crushes the garlic. You don't have to wash your garlic crusher. And you will find that the salt actually helps break down the garlic, so you have a nice little puree there. Or you can just use your garlic crusher. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? So in that goes. Next we have half a teaspoon of ground cumin and half a teaspoon of ground coriander. Some pepper. I use black pepper. Half a lemon. Does have pips, but as I've shown in my little shortcuts video, you can run it through your fingers and catch any pips that might be in there. I don't always squeeze out all the lemon, just in case you don't need so much. You can always add more later. Let's stir this together. And these flavours really develop if you can make this a few hours in advance. The flavours really develop. Now, if you didn't strain the liquid out of your cucumber after a few hours, it would be quite watery. You could strain it, but maybe it's better to avoid that. Look at that. That's so quick and easy. I'm going to use some coriander leaves. These are quite fine. I'm going to use the stalks as well, because they're quite fine stalks. Bunch it all together, fingers back, up and down, up and down. There it goes. And do taste it, just in case you've used sugar instead of salt or... Oh, that's lovely. I don't need any extra lemon. The garlic's there. And I think the flavours will develop, definitely. So once you've got that ready, use it for many things, but today I'm using it as a canapé for drinks with friends. So I've got some little pappadums. I've got some mango chutney, and in here we'll put some of my Raita. And there we have a nice little platter for your friends. How do you play? Pick up a little pappadum, and you can buy these pre-bought already. A little bit of chutney, some Raita, and you pop it in your mouth. Goodness gracious me, that's so delicious. And it's a wrap!